Hello and welcome to the Tigrepup channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review and demo of Desiolens Caramel Brown contact lenses. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what the Desio contact lens website looks like currently. I know you see there's 2+2 free. Basically that's saying you purchase 2 contact lenses at regular price and you get 2 contact lenses for free. So basically buy one get one type of deal. And right here I'm just showing you the lenses that I chose. They're varying prices. And here is my receipt of how much I paid total, and I got free express shipping. Okay, so up next I'm going to show you an unboxing and an overview of the contact lenses that I did purchase. So here is the packaging you can expect to arrive in the mail once you've made your purchase. When you open it up, you have your little seal here, and you're just going to see all your contact lenses. And when Desio sends you contact lenses, they also send you contact lens cases, which is pretty cool, so you don't have to make an extra purchase. So those were the contact lenses that I was showing you in their different collections. And right here are the actual contact lenses in the boxes. So right here I'm just going to show you what that looks like on the inside, and I was surprised to find they made an improvement on their contact lens cases because they used to be very shallow, and I didn't like them too well, and they leaked. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to give these a try. And I don't know if you can see that it's a little bit deeper in my opinion from what I remember the other ones look like. I still have a couple of them left over, but I never really used them, so I was pleasantly surprised to find these contact lens cases, which were much better in my opinion than the original ones, or the ones that I remember they used to ship with the packaging. Okay, so here's another item that came in the shipping, which was a compliments card. So that's what that looks like here. Okay, so we're going to do an overview of the contact lenses that I purchased in total, starting with Rebel Gray. And as you can see here, it's a part of the Attitude collection. And this is what that packaging looks like. I'm not going to open the package because I'm going to save this for a future video. So we're just gonna take a look at what are the options I have here. Here is what the contact lens look like on the website called Rebel Gray, and the description here says, always facing the adventures of life head on, full of spontaneity and just a hint of malice. The secret of their success lies hidden in a subtle shade of gray, which can release strength and vitality. Okay, so the Rebel Gray I'm showing you here is a part of the Attitude collection, which has 2 tones in it. Here are a couple of models for your review. Okay, so up next we're going to take a look at the packaging for the Delicious Honey contact lenses. As you can see here, they're also part of the Attitude collection, and this is what that box looks like. And as I said before, I'm not reviewing this particular contact lens. I'm just showing you what was in my stash that I made my purchase when I purchased my order. Okay, so here is what it looks like on the website Delicious Honey, and we're going to read the description. Desired by men, admired by women, genuinely affectionate and impossible not to love, with warm brown shades and memorable looks, seeming different on every occasion but always true to themselves. Okay, as you can see here, Delicious Honey is a part of the Attitude collection, which has 2 tones in it. Here are a couple of models for your review. Okay, so my third option that I purchased during this this sale, which would be the Caramel Brown. As you can see, it's part of the Central collection. And here is what the packaging looks like. And right here is going to show you what the contact lens looks like on its actual website. Now going on into the description, these brown contacts represent the perfect nuance to give your look a shade of gentleness and persuasion. Be irresistible. Open the door of your sweetness. As we can see here, Caramel Brown is a part of the Central Beauty collection. It doesn't tell you what tone or how many tones are in this particular lens, but these are one of the OGs of the contact lenses that I saw in Desio. Right here are a couple of models for your review. Okay, so up next, I'm going to do my last contact lens selection. Right here is the Very Perry contact lens, which is a new contact lens. And I decided to give these a try. They were purple, which is an unnatural eye color. Only problem is these last for about a month, whereas the other ones last for 3. So here is what you can see the contact lens looks like on the website, and it doesn't have a description as far as like what collection, but once you click on the what you call it, it says it's a part of the Attitude collection. So right here I'm just showing you a couple of models for your review so you can kind of see what that looks like. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so now we're going to go into opening our Caramel Brown contact lenses. So this is what I do. I just get in there and just tear it up because I want to hurry up and get my contact lenses out and get the process going. So as we can see here, we have a couple of little things going on. I'm going with the first one. Here is the contact lens here. I got it in 0000. Basically, it's plano, which means there's no correction as far as like it's not prescription, basically. So this is what it looks like in its packaging. Here is a instruction guide on how to care for your contact lenses. And it has different languages. That's why it's so long. So that's what it looks like front and back. Okay, right here I'm just showing you the pamphlet that lets you know what options are available in the Central Beauty collection. Okay, so up next we're going to open up our contact lenses and take a look and see what we have going on inside. Okay, so once we finish prying open our contact lenses, here is what it looks like on the inside. Try to give you a real close-up view of what the contacts look like, so what you can expect when you make your purchase. Okay, so up next I'm going to show you what my natural eye is looking like. There's some variation in these videos because some was shot on my camera and some was shot on my cell phone. The warmer golden ones look like they are from my cell phone. And the cooler looking one is from my camera. Now, it kind of gives you an idea. Hopefully you can try to figure out what the color actually looks like because it's different on computer or cell phone or whatever. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to jump in and I'm going to put the contact lens in one eye. And as you can see from a distance, I'm looking straight ahead. And this one, I'm kind of rotating my eyes so you can see what it looks like, you know, in different angles and whatnot. So that's pretty much the way this video is structured. And so as you can see, I'm getting closer and closer, and eventually you're going to get very close and you're going to see what that contact looks like on my particular eye. So it kind of gives you a better idea of what you can expect when you make your purchase and what it might look like on your eye if you had my eye color. So please enjoy. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so up next, I'm going to show you what the contact looks like in both eyes. at varying distances. And when you're looking in either direction, so that's what you see me doing here. As we go on, we get closer and closer. Okay, so right here is the outdoor shot of what it looks like outside while I'm outside. Right here is the indoor shot of what it looks like while I'm indoors. And just looking straight ahead with no eye movement. Here is what I'm looking like when I'm looking all over the place, so you can kind of see how it looks on my eye, how it fits and whatnot. Okay, so I decided to do another shot outdoors. So here is an outdoor shot so you can get a pretty much an idea what you can expect the contact lens to look like. So hopefully this helps. Okay, now on to my final thoughts. I really like these contact lenses. I noticed that they call them caramel brown. When you think caramel, you think of a warm golden yellowy brown. I think these are more of a cool tone. Of course, that's just my opinion. I showed you varying distances in an indoor and outdoor setting, so you can see for yourself what you think these contacts look like in your opinion. Me personally, I like them, and the only thing I'm confused about why they have all those lines in it. That's one thing I never really understood, but I guess that makes it look more natural. Well, let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.